Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Airpods firmware and the devices to the latest iOS or Mac OS so auto-switching is supported. Once done, make sure you are signed into the same Apple ID on both devices and both have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled because automatic handoff relies on continuity services. Now put your AirPods in your ears and open Bluetooth settings. You'll need to access the AirPods info pane to change the connection behavior in the next step. Now you change the AirPods connection setting to automatic. On iPhone or iPad, tap the info icon next to your AirPods in Settings Bluetooth and choose Connect to this iPhone, then select Automatically. On Mac, go to Bluetooth options next to your AirPods and set Connect to this Mac to automatic. Make sure you repeat this on every Apple device you want to switch between. Doing this tells the ecosystem to prioritize active audio sessions and enables seamless handoff when contexts change. Finish by testing. Play music on your iPhone, then start a video on your Mac or answer a call on your iPad. The AirPods should switch to the active device. If they don't, make sure both devices are unlocked and near each other, then toggle Bluetooth or restart the devices. If problems persist, unpair and repair the AirPods, and as a last resort, reset them by holding the case button until the light flashes amber and then white. That usually clears stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.